In this video, we'll explain how to replace the batteries in your smart door lock. First, you need to remove the access cover. To do this, press in gently and slide upwards. Next, remove the battery tray from the lock by grasping the small handle on top and lifting straight up. After replacing the batteries, return the tray to the lock and press down to ensure it is fully inserted. Make sure the arrows on the tray are pointed towards the door for correct orientation. Finally, replace the access cover by sliding it down until it clicks into place. For additional videos and support information, please visit us on the web at www.safetouch.com.